What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the Arrow set Linemans Pliers right here. This one is the last one from the set that I just reviewed, and hopefully this one will pass the 30 amp test. Okay, we are going to do the 30 amp test. We have a 30 amp wire right here. We have a 14.2 wire, and we have 14.3 wires right here. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is 8 inches, as you can see on the box. And if you didn't see it on the box, you wasn't paying attention. All right, so we're gonna take it out of the box. This is how it comes. Has some oil on it, so that means they greased it up very well. Take it out of its packaging, and it won't be this fresh after a while. Now, these should accomplish your task at hand. Okay, so these come in a set of 3. I just got finished reviewing these 2 right here, and this is the 3rd one right here, right there. Measure to size, 8 inches. So this one is 8 inches needle nose. This one is 7 inches, little cutter pliers right here. And then this one, let's see if it's true to size. Wow, 9 inches. It says it's 8 inches, but on my measuring mechanism right here, this is 9 inches. So we are going to go ahead. Let's go ahead and test out the big boy. All right. This is our 30 amp wire. Let's go. Ugh. 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 Oh, there we go. Woo! It was some work, but it cut through. Now, let me remind y'all, some of y'all might be a little bit stronger than me with my arthritis. Some of y'all might be a little bit stronger than me, so don't take this as a full, like, oh, it don't cut through. You guys, if you're strong enough with your hands, it will cut through. Put a little force to it. Some people are stronger than others. So another cool thing with these pliers, you can grab your wires and twist. If you're using twisting caps, however you wire, for the people that's been on my channel for a while, y'all know that I don't twist no more. Still may be good to twist. You could talk to some old school people, but do what you gotta do, and there you go. You twist, put your cap on, blase, blase, blah. All right, so if it cuts through the 30 amp, you know it's gonna cut through the 14.2. It's actually laughable at this moment that I'm using the 14.2. I should have used the small from the greatest, but you guys, I'm not that good at advertising. So 14.2, easy. Like, I'm not even putting no effort into cutting this. This is laughable. All right. Now we got the 14.3. It's still going to be laughable because, it's just easy. These are so easy to cut with, all right? Because the wires are not thick. All right, you guys. So that was our 14.3 right there. Oh, all right. Got a lot of equipment, and I need to do some cleaning before I do my other reviews. All right, you guys, so that will be it. That's the end of these pliers right here. Definitely a good set to have. Each plier does different things. Put it right in your toolbox and you should be good. All right, and that will be all, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.